Hi guys! How's your Holy Week? Well, mine is well spent with family kasi umuwi yung siblings ko from Manila. So, family time. And sorry, walang postings lately. Busy. Gusto ko lang share ngayon yung homily kahapon ni Father, which is about problems. Sabi ni Father, magtaka ka kung wala ka ng problema kasi baka nasa heaven ka. Kasi habang buhay tayo dito sa mundo, may problema. Ang mahalaga is paano natin hinaharap ang mga problema and kung paano tayo babangon, di ba? Which is a very powerful message. Yeah. And kumusta Monday nyo? Hopefully smooth, which is imposible kasi galing Holy Week. So maraming catch up sa work. And take a rest. And just want to say we are built to rise again.